This is the macro setup tutorial for AirClick. We've got a few macros ready to assign to your AirClick. The first thing we do is find the config file. Let's dive into the macros we've prepared for your AirClick. First one is Preheat printer temperature macro. Let's run down of what makes up a Klipper macro. You can name this macro anything you like. I'm calling it Preheat. Respond. Its main function is to actively send a message to the Klipper. G28 its main move the printhead or gantry of the 3D printer to the preset home position. G90 its main set to absolute coordinate mode. M104 its main set temperature and proceed immediately to the next command. S100 its main sets the hot end temperature to 100 degree. G1 is the move command. C indicates the travel distance, and F sets the speed. This is to turn on the fan. This one represents 100% operating power. You can set the desired power anywhere between 0 and 1. Set the bed temperature to 70 degree and do not execute other commands until the temperature is reached. Next macro for cooling down. M104SO turns off the hot end and allows it to cool down. M140SO turns off the heated bed and allows it to cool down. M106SO is to turn off the part cooling fan, causing it to stop spinning. The next two macros are for loading and unloading filament. We set the target temperature to 210 degree. Of course, this is specifically set for PLA. If you are using high temperature filaments such as ABS, you need to adjust it to a higher temperature. Next, let's connect the wireless button. Set the IP address for your AirClick configuration webpage. Copy the name of the macro to trigger it. The rest can be configured in the same way. I printed up a case. You can grab the files from our site and print your own if you want one. Let's try out on the printer. First, let's test the loading material. Then try the retraction button to unload the filament. The retraction is now complete. Then let's try preheating the printer. It will first return to the home position. Then it will descend to the designated position. If you want to cancel preheating or turn off the heating, press the stop or cancel button. The heated bed and nozzle will cool down. We'll simply press the button to turn off the printer temperature. It will turn off the heating and then return to the home position.